Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build this gadget. So what is this gadget? A small device which has a display. It connects to the internet and show the weather of your local city, temperature, humidity, means all weather report. It also works as a table clock and it also shows latest news. So this is what it looks like. High low, clear sky, humidity, wind, and also USA Today news. Isn't it a cool looking gadget for your computer table or computer desk? It's only run on 5 volt. You can connect it to your computer or a power bank. I am also going to make a version 2 which has an inbuilt battery. So this is the gadget we are going to build today. So let's get started. So this is a time lapse of all the 3 component printing. If you are an electronic hobbyist, you must need a 3D printer. It will make your work easier. I have 3D printed 3 parts. 2 are in white and 1 in yellow for good contrast. This is the cabinet of the project. We are going to fit the display and the controller inside of it. It took me around 3 hours to print all 3 components. So these are all the parts we need for the outer shell. I have 3D printed all these parts, and this is a acrylic sheet which I am going to use as a diffuser for the light, and these are the only 2 electronic parts we need. This is a MAX7219 8x32 LED matrix display, and this is a node MCU, and the wiring is pretty simple: positive ground and 3 data signals. This is just a display unit which is processing the information from the node MCU microcomputer. Let's feed this into the outer shell. So this is the MAX7219 display. We are going to fit a cover on this, 3D printed cover on this. We have fitted the LED module to the front of the case. Now we are going to fit the node MCU to the back cover. So the software part is very easy. All you need is the 2 files. The node MCU PyFlasher and the other is the firmware file. Open node MCU PyFlasher. Select the serial port where the device is connected. Browse for the file. Select the file and flash node MCU. Just complete. There is no hassle. Choose the port, select the file and flash the node MCU, and your device is ready to go.